You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very confusing word. And yes, it's so confusing. But let's break it down. It's easy once you know. Two different pronunciations, yes, I'm afraid, in English, British English. Contumacious, you have a chu syllable here. This means essentially stubbornly or willfully disobedient. Contumacious. Now, in American English, or at least the alternative pronunciation is as, the way it's pronounced more in the US is as contumacious. Contumacious in American English, or contumacious in British English. Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you soon. Now, at least, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.